friends. Today I want to share with you my experience with money manifestation and manifesting on some of my desires that I had. So a couple of months back, I attended a money manifestation session from Nalanda Wellness Center, and our teacher was Sachin Bagera sir. And as during that period of my session, he instructed us with a couple of ways in which we can, do a manifestation for abundance in life, not just money abundance, but abundance of happiness, of peace, of love, of relationships. And during the period of that session, for 21 days, we have been writing down our manifestations, or rather our intentions we maintained a journal which had where we mentioned our intentions. As a process, we started believing and we could visualize what we really wanted in our life. So that was the process. And today, it's almost 6 months now. Today, I actually manifested one of the biggest intentions that I had, and which I mentioned on my diary. That is that I would, within a span of 6 months, I would, get an increment on my job with a specific amount that I mentioned. And to my shock and to my, how overwhelmed I am to see that actually I could manifest what I exactly have mentioned in my diary, and in fact 3 lakhs more than that. So that was one of the biggest manifestations that I have achieved by now. There were small other manifestations like where I try to manifest, where in my job everybody loves me and they appreciate for the work that I have been doing, and I get accolades from my colleagues and all these have manifested, and each and everything I have mentioned in my diary, and that's what I have achieved. Apart from that, there are a couple of more intentions that I have mentioned in the diary, and which I see right now. It's in the process of achieving. I'm in the process of achieving those manifestations. Like I had some debts, and I specifically mentioned that within the span of next 1 year I'll be able to I will be free of all debts. And I see that process already has begun, and I've started clearing out my debts by now. Today, as I speak with you guys, as I'm sharing this story with you guys, I have almost cleared one of the debts, and I'm almost about to start clearing the other debt. So these are my achievements, and I'm very thankful to Sachin sir for guiding me to achieve manifest my desires. And I'm thankful that I was introduced to Nalanda Wellness Center, where I have completed my Reiki 3rd level, and I'm also able to manifest money, abundance of love, relationships, and peace and self-care, the most important thing. So thank you guys.